woman have feelings, so them man say me, you know, care much more, you know, me not really care. Me not really business much money more of guys. Girl, yeah. Me not really business much girl more of. But me just want to love VIP. Attack me. Me you know for attack, not attack VIP. Baby father, everybody come for attack the youth code. Oh no, attack me, kill me, hurt me, war me. Kinda do me nothing. Nothing him not do. What the hell him do? Him not for come around me none tall. You mad? Me dey talk already. Me dey tell you no. Ain't no VIP can come around me. Me no want nobody else around me. I do nothing. For nobody else. I'm going to stay the lane. Me dey lay that statement there already. Me no want nobody chat to me. Leave VIP alone. Family and friend me a chat to. Family and friend. Yeah, the queen and reason we don't know. Family and friend. Him push out him best to me, so I can push out my best for VIP. VIP. Me don't know where him is right now. He must have gone to the shop or somewhere. And deal with something, I don't know. But him call when I'm ready. I'm good at sit alive and I'm not ready for come up yet. I don't know where him there. But he must have gone look breakfast, is it? Breakfast him can look. So guys, me a beg you, please. Me a beg you no. Me have 190, 200 people per my life. Me a beg you no. 200, 203. Me a beg you no. All of this jealousy, what's caused here over me, it no make sense. Friend, family, man, woman, boy, girl, yeah. You can't jealous off of me and one candy. And the man who me love, me not go look love no other else man. Nothing like VIP. Nothing. Nothing like him. So when me tell you that guys say VIP to the fucking world, non-stopping. So how when me and him left and him a dust girl, me still dead in him palm. And me and him a reason. You hear me? I tell you no good morning everybody. Me no want to ramp with my man, love VIP alone. Because when me dey down there is no one. And me choose to go away now. And me go away now. And me go away. And my fault make him have a woman. So me no come back for just come around him. No one, you understand, one VIP. And me go away. So me want to just put everything, what pass, what present a present. Cause them say VIP have a bag of woman and him no want me, he might use me, yeah. Yeah. I like that 100 user when me I get. If man no use you can't see the things you want to go on. You're that people. You hear that people? You hear that? Just low me and there. Just low rest VIP. Please, I'm asking you. Hear that people? Rest VIP. Me don't want nobody upon him back. I want him back. Be calm. One VIP, no more. Me no know no more. I'm not going to take no other more man. Because when my mother want, me there with a man and carry the man in front of her. Yeah. Please make the family them say, yeah. Me choose to myself. My mom can't choose to me. And me see it. Them know me have no man of Jamaica. Them know me have man of foreign. You crazy? You mad? Me can't dash with the all for fucking new. No. Me walk with the all until it ready. To get himself straight up. New. Look how much years my VIP a come. You think me gonna left VIP for please nobody else? No, I will him have 100 girl, me tell him that. One candy to the world. One candy. I will him have a many girl, me know the business. My VIP that you soon cry. Me not cry. What am I going to cry for? That right. That not right. What am I going to cry for? How much years? 6 years ago. I will going longer than that. So you see guys, me a beg you know, low VIP, make my brain settle. Please. I want my one settle. Yeah, the focus for me a focus now. I don't want nobody get me a fight because I him. I him. Him see all. So leave him. So me entitled to give him the world. Yeah. If him wake up tomorrow and say, "Be Candy, I want one car, I must can buy that gear." Yeah. Cause I mean my good. Him never mean my bad. All of them money when I used to take in my life. Them never as I mean I tell him. I told him the past is the past. And watch the presence, watch your presence with me. If him wake up tomorrow morning, candy more one car now, must cancel babes. Go on feet. Go and go buy a vehicle. Cause I deserve it. The amount of running up and down, the amount of disrespect, the amount of disregard, the amount of that. So me see a light with that can help me, help my life, and me work with him and tell him I want him to be my husband. Me I go make it in a life. Me see a big light. So you feel like me not go join me night and carry me night, him is in it. So who attack, say him not go in it, him a go in it. You better shut the fucking mouth up. You hear me I telling you? Shut to the mouth. Me telling you now, this is what God have done for me. Him can't done it for VIP. So family, friends, fuck you and live my life with my man. And no one can stop me from what I'm doing. Eh? Me do things what me love. What make me happy. It don't make me unhappy. I can't be unhappy. When VIP gone, I'm not gonna know it. I'm not gonna know it. So if him do get there, I'm gonna get there. But probably different part. Different countries. But yet still we see each other, we speak, and we talk. So what makes sense? We make a difference, guys. Leave him now. Just leave him now. Him down there here now. At the moment, guys, him is not here in the bed. Nowhere. VIP gone. So leave him alone, guys. I'm telling you. Me are the boss, not Uno. Rest him ears. Leave him. Me no business the amount of woman that him have. Me no really care. But when my respect time come, it's come. That is it. And that one if you know. Set on the blood clot orders before in a chattings with me. Set that. I'ma set it. So I when VIP have 100 girl, VIP I'm coming back to Jamaica now. So you know me time you know how it go. I need some time with you now. So all your phone, them your woman, them with calling you and texting you, yeah, it's stop. By me. Kawa. The jealousy. It's not going to work. VIP a boss, of course. I like that. VIP a boss, of course. He is a boss. Him in a basket. Basket where you put fucking clothes in. Him in a basket. Him a boss. Him a real blood clot boss. Him a real man. A real man. Stand up. Pan them own and do them own thing. You see no man? You look pan them, check them boy about the fucking place here. Eh? Check them. As they walk on the road that we them are about 16, 15, 14. Eh? And as I check them, a man in time for them go to school. Yeah? Just leave my man alone, you know? Just leave him, rest him name. Me a beg you know. VIP not in Jamaica right now, at the moment, yeah? So leave VIP alone. Just leave him, rest him. Family and friends. Me no have nothing to do with you know. Nothing. And I can't call back my phone. And talk about I go beg this. Can they send this? Cause you this once, twice. Girl, go sleep. Girl, sleep? I don't want to sleep. Bye. You think a friend put me where me is? A God. I know no mother, I know no father, I know no sister. Cause when me for go with my mother ball, she had about sucker fucking fights and them style where she have. She never want me she go. She never want she go. So lady just relax herself, man. Let me do my thing. You know when me have my man? Me have feelings to man, you know, man have feelings to me, you know. We can't look up in our face as a sisters. Be a sisters me have run, you know. David, for the man that me love. And when me see him, me just bust it out. Yeah. Me have the lock, him have the lock, and me have the paddle, him have the key. So me give him the key, VIP one lock key there. So when you're ready, you just lock down your blood clot lock. Boom. That is it. When him ready, him just lock down him lock. Fuck people. I don't care. Slam your lock and come inside. We not busy with people. How them? Huh? Lord Bumbleclaw VIP man. Just rest the youth. Family and friend. And when me out there better there is nobody like God and him. What the fuck can I tell me? Say, since lately me left VIP yard, you know. Family I pull back to me, you know, and them sister nothing now go on, them chastise me, them do me the things them. Them say you not go nowhere. Nowhere you not go. Mackerel they are foreign, and you see it, me make them swallow them pussy clad spit. And me I tell them, me no watch you know. Me just make on the chat off on the fucking mouth. Cause full of mouth. Just leave VIP alone, man. Just give him a break now. Him alright with me now, you know. So him not have no worries, no stress. You hear? God the Lord don't have everything under control. I me tell God about it. I me give God it. Oh, so from me give God it done. I'll be back in a minute. I'm coming. For fight another battle, and a battle that not go nice and see it here, and this is a battle I'm going to fight family and friends. So I'm going to fight this one only. So one big battle is now. So watch you know, one big water battle. So I have got juke it or do something in spiritually. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do something, but when I go juke it, I got me I use and juke it. Guys, leave fucking VIP alone. I mean, I beg you. Friends and family, go away and load the blood clot, boy. Go away and load the boy. Go away. VIP fuck out a yo a year one. A year one, the greatest thing when I get disease. Yeah. The greatest thing, no disease, cause your man was skeptic to blood clot woman. Him funny, so me not really watch it. Me not really watch it. Him go for look good girls, him not go for damn. Him not go for damn, me. He don't go for damn. He don't go to damn. Him go for look good girl. Girl will have intelligence. Cause intelligence make you reach up there top, you know. Intelligence make you reach in the plane, you know, guys. And not much about book or pencil, you know. See them here go to the immigration, bam, my sign up, bam, my sign, my name, my this, my that. Guys, it's just intelligence make you get there in life. So you have to do that. So when you do all of those stuff, you come and speak to Candy. So if you can't do that, reach the top. Me attack people who fly already. The big up the one them who fly already. The youngsters. That is it. Yeah? But I'm asking right now. Me a ask you, and me not tell you, me a ask you. Do it. So you see when the one them we shut off them suckled mouth, say VIP a go ray and baby. Remember the baby. That is it. Me don't want you no more baby. That is it. So when you hear them go talk and say ray VIP alright. I'm telling you, him good like gold. Him good. Him good. So friends and family, fuck you. You're not gonna see this again. You hear? Never. Not even a lifeline. Barry, I've got your back. Whenever my child. Whenever make it the proper way, you know. So big up my daughter. That is it. Me nah no more. Family. Cause family just want me for money. My mother love money. My mother pray me for money. You never send me go work. Woman, you tell me, say after me give you 18,000 Monday, you come tell me fuck Rami, yes, and me give you $100 US, you come tell me, I go talk about what that me give you. And you never send me go, me never got work go sold, me never got friend go sold, now lick up, mother. Appreciate when your daughter give and your daughter let have some give you know, give thanks. Yeah, me see her, she gone. Go enjoy herself. Me should stay. Me should stay because the only man that you want. Oh my God. And then you still here chastise the youth. Me come and me give you money after me left airport. Me come straight to your yard. Because me tell VIP, so VIP, when you come for me in the airport, you know, I'm going home to Berry, go drop off some money, give my family them, and move to the guest house with you. With you, I have a moment with you there at the guest house. And that is it. So at the guest house are the problem. My little money when me in my pocket, my mother pray me for. Why? I'm going to give everybody them money, you know. So you see, say, them only chastise me, put me down. And when me up, when me elevate myself up, yeah, try put me down back, lady. You's not a mother. You wanna come for break me. And the move when me move, I make a good move. So everybody try that no. When I dump on the fucking you, leave him. I'm a lock out my mind from everybody. Babe. Babe. Babe.